Butter and garlic, what a dynamic duo. Imagine sizzling garlic in melted butter, releasing that irresistible aroma that instantly makes your mouth water. This combination isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a culinary powerhouse. Butter adds richness and depth, while garlic brings a punch of savory goodness. Together, they elevate everything from simple pasta dishes to gourmet steaks. Did you know that garlic has health benefits too? It's packed with antioxidants and can boost your immune system. Whether you're sautéing veggies or making a luscious garlic bread, this duo transforms ordinary meals into extraordinary experiences. So next time you cook, remember, butter and garlic are your secret weapons in the kitchen. Miso paste is a culinary treasure, packed with umami and rich in history. This fermented soybean paste has been a staple in Japanese cuisine for centuries, and it's not just delicious, it's also incredibly nutritious. Miso is loaded with probiotics, which are fantastic for gut health, and it's a great source of protein and vitamins. The fermentation process gives miso its unique flavor profile, ranging from sweet to salty, depending on the type. You can use it in soups, marinades, or even salad dressings. Just a spoonful can elevate your dish, adding depth and complexity. Plus, it's versatile. Whether you're whipping up a traditional miso soup or experimenting in fusion cuisine, miso paste is your secret weapon. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't overlook this fermented goodness. It's a simple way to boost flavor and nutrition. Smoked paprika is a culinary gem that transforms ordinary dishes into extraordinary experiences. This vibrant spice, made from dried and smoked red peppers, adds a rich, smoky flavor that dances on your palate. Just a pinch can elevate everything from stews to roasted vegetables, giving them a depth that's hard to resist. Its versatility is remarkable. It works wonders in marinades, soups, and even sprinkled over popcorn for a gourmet twist. Beyond flavor, smoked paprika also brings a stunning color to your plate, making your meals visually appealing. And let's not forget its health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, it can boost your immune system and improve circulation. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, smoked paprika is your secret weapon for flavor enhancement. Embrace it and watch your dishes come alive. Citrus zest, the vibrant outer peel of lemons and oranges, is a culinary gem that can elevate any dish. Just imagine the burst of flavor it brings. The zest is packed with essential oils, giving it a fragrant aroma and a tangy kick that can brighten up both sweet and savory recipes. When you zest a lemon, you're capturing that refreshing citrus essence, perfect for enhancing dressings, marinades, or even baked goods. And orange zest? It adds a delightful sweetness that can transform a simple dessert into something extraordinary. The best part? Zesting is easy. Just use a microplane or a zester, and be sure to avoid the bitter white pith underneath. A little zest goes a long way, so sprinkle it over your dishes for a pop of color and flavor. Whether you're making a citrus vinaigrette or a zesty cake, citrus zest is the secret ingredient that will leave everyone asking for your recipe. Umami Boost is all about enhancing flavors, and soy sauce is a superstar in that department. This fermented wonder is packed with amino acids, giving it that rich, savory taste we crave. Did you know that soy sauce dates back over 2,500 years? It originated in China and has since become a staple in kitchens worldwide. What makes it so special? The fermentation process breaks down proteins into those delicious umami compounds, making it perfect for marinades, stir-fries, or even as a dipping sauce. It's not just about flavor, soy sauce also adds depth and complexity to dishes. And let's not forget the health benefits. It's low in calories and can even boost your mood with its rich, savory profile. So next time you reach for that bottle, remember, you're not just adding salt, you're elevating your meal to a whole new level of deliciousness.